Welcome to Beautyistic, where we explore the best beauty products for every skin type and need. Today, we're talking about a skincare gem that promises to soothe, hydrate, and repair your skin barrier overnight. Introducing the LANEIGE Cica Sleeping Mask, a Korean skincare favorite designed for sensitive skin. This unique sleeping mask is formulated with Centella Repair Complex, known for its calming and restorative properties. If you're someone with sensitive or redness-prone skin, this might be your new nighttime hero. It's designed to hydrate and restore your skin while you sleep, so you wake up with plump, moisturized, and calm skin. Now let's break down what makes this product stand out and whether it lives up to its claims. The LANEIGE Cica Sleeping Mask is a gel-based product that's part of the popular K-beauty trend, known for its multifunctional, soothing products. It's designed to work overnight, allowing you to get the maximum benefit while you rest. The key ingredient here is the Centella Repair Complex, which helps to soothe inflammation, reduce redness, and repair the skin's natural barrier. If you've ever dealt with sensitive skin or have struggled with visible redness, this mask promises to help calm things down. The mask's texture is lightweight and refreshing, with a cool gel consistency that absorbs easily into the skin without feeling heavy. It's suitable for all skin types, including dry, sensitive, and combination skin, making it versatile. Once applied, it forms a layer that doesn't feel sticky or greasy, which is essential for a good sleeping mask. I found it quite comfortable to wear through the night without it transferring to my pillowcase, which can be a common issue with some overnight products. Using this product feels like a treat for the skin. I've been incorporating it into my routine a few times a week, applying it as the last step before bed, and I wake up to softer, calmer skin. I've noticed a reduction in redness, and my skin feels more hydrated and balanced. Let's talk about the pros and cons, because no product is perfect, right? On the plus side, the LANEIGE Cica Sleeping Mask is incredibly soothing and hydrating. It's gentle enough for even the most sensitive skin types, and the formulation is simple yet effective. I also love that it absorbs quickly and doesn't leave a heavy residue, which is key for an overnight product. The packaging is sleek, and the 60-gram jar lasts a long time, making it a good investment. On the downside, it's not the most budget-friendly option out there. While the ingredients and performance justify the price to an extent, there are more affordable options that offer similar results, especially if you're on a tighter budget. Some may also find the scent to be a bit too subtle or clinical, but it's definitely not overpowering. As for value for money, this mask falls into the mid to high price range. Given the results, particularly if you struggle with redness or skin sensitivity, it could be worth the investment. However, for those who simply want hydration without extra soothing benefits, there are definitely more budget-friendly alternatives available. Comparing it to other sleeping masks in the market, LANEIGE stands out for its specific focus on barrier repair and calming sensitive skin. While other brands focus more on deep hydration or anti-aging, LANEIGE taps into the growing demand for products that focus on skin sensitivity, making this product a unique addition to your skincare routine. The build quality of the packaging is sturdy and high-end. The jar is glass, which gives it a luxe feel, but also makes it a bit less travel-friendly. If you're someone who frequently travels, you might want to transfer a portion of it to a smaller container. But overall, it's a nice, well-made product. Now, if you're looking for alternatives, there are other sleeping masks that hydrate and soothe. Some may be slightly more affordable, like the COSRX Ultimate Moisturizing Honey Overnight Mask, which is also a popular choice for sensitive skin, or the LANEIGE Water Sleeping Mask, which is lighter and also hydrating, but without the specific focus on skin barrier repair. To wrap it up, the LANEIGE Cica Sleeping Mask is a fantastic option for anyone dealing with sensitive skin or redness. If you're looking for a mask that delivers serious hydration and supports your skin's natural barrier, it's definitely worth considering. While the price might be on the higher end, the calming benefits and soothing formula make it a strong contender in the world of skincare masks. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, Stay beautiful inside and out.